Hi, I'm Raquel.
And I'm Ricky.
Today we're at my mother's house, and a few months ago we made a video about her buying a house here in Mexico and her renovation process.
And today we're going to show you some before, after and the finished product.
It's finished, yes. Come along.
Hi kids, how are you?
Good, Shelley.
I heard your house is finished.
Oh, yes, so happy. Come on
So
in.
Mum's house was meant to be delivered in December, and it actually was. There's no issue with that. Our video's been delayed because of not the builders, but Liverpool.
Yeah, the furniture.
It's been a bit of a saga. The dates that they gave Mum were delayed a couple of times, eh?
Yeah, December it was to come, and then it was supposed to come in January, and it didn't arrive, but it arrived a week and a half ago, I think. Yeah,
So Mum's been getting settled.
yeah, I get to sit and watch TV now.
If you watched the previous video, our intention with the kitchen was to push it out a little bit so it'd be a little roomier and redesign it. Okay, so this is Mum's finished kitchen, and it's quite a difference from the before, and it's got a little bit of bling there.
Love my bling.
And this is her dining room table, so just the bar, and that suits the best, eh, Mum?
Yeah, and I chose quartz all the way through, and quartz countertops in the bathroom, and I do like my bling. So I'm
How's
really
the
happy.
cooking going?
I just found out how to use my oven last week.
So Michelle actually did the same sort of process as we did with the kitchen and pushed this out a bit to make the kitchen a lot wider.
Yeah.
And I think it's turned out really well. What do you think, Michelle?
I thought it turned out very, very well.
It's roomier, so we had to move the front door, if you remember and watch the last video, and Mum's picked a funky color here, but yeah, it's nice and spacious.
So this is the view of the living room from the kitchen. The ladies are standing, waiting. Front door.
So in the living room, there was a built-in concrete structure that needed to be removed, so Mum had to retile, but there wasn't that much done to this room because it already had beautiful sliders, so just painted and retiled basically. So yeah, it's nice and homey, eh?
Yeah.
So you were able to get your sofa here where that little built-in table used to be.
Yeah, it would have really divided the room, which is fine if Mum wanted like a little dining room set there, but she didn't fancy that. You know, it's just not her thing, so just makes the living room a bit more spacious. Okay, so this is the guest bathroom. Putting a new toilet and a new vanity and the mirror. Mum kept the tiles that were there, just some new taps, and yeah. So I'd just like to take a brief moment to thank one of our subscribers, Sally, for supporting our channel. And she was able to do that through Buy Me a Coffee. I'll drop the link in the description below.
Thank you very much, Sally.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
I have my desk here.
It's a nice bright hallway because the sliders in the back two rooms. It's just a nice line of vision or whatever. But yeah, Mum had a great idea, and she wanted to have sort of a desk there and some mirrors. So it's nice to kind of check yourself out, I think, eh, Mum, before you head out for the day?
Yeah, and Ricky did a bang-up job yesterday, no pun intended.
Getting those mirrors up. Spare bedroom, which is still a little bit of a work in progress, but we need to get the air conditioner in and the closet still, but it's getting there. So in the main bedroom, there wasn't much to do besides put a door between the bedroom and the closet and bathroom area. And the closet area pretty much stayed the same, but the bathroom was updated. Okay, so now this is walking into the master bedroom, nice view of the pool, and easily fit a king size bed in here. And then Mum got a barn style door, so we'll open that. And takes you into her walk-in closet and her ensuite and her shower. I love that tile.
So again, same sort of situation as our house. Michelle pushed this out 1 meter, which gives quite a bit more room here, and a lot more room in the shower, which is fantastic.
Yeah, and the closet is the original shape, so it didn't lose a lot of the yard.
No, but we put a larger window in here and a window up there, just for more light.
So this is the third bedroom slash den, family room. I had the built-in closets here and shelves, and this is a work in progress. And I'm thinking it's going to be a cozy little den. I do my yoga here in the morning.
One of the aspects of this house we absolutely loved are the gardens, or the yard, because A, it's a good size, but just some beautiful plants and trees. But Mom wanted a little pool in the backyard, so here's the before. So you can walk out from the third bedroom or master bedroom, and here it is, finished. And Mom left some of the beautiful murals that were on the wall before. The tree going through there.
So what do you think of your pool?
I am so happy with this pool. I love it. The steps down where Kel's getting me wet. She wants me in the pool. Yeah, I love it. It's just great.
So you've got a little shallow area.
I've got a little shallow area here, yeah, and I can sit right here and do some exercises.
And some steps down into the deep end.
And the deep end, yeah. Yeah,
Beautiful.
very refreshing and lovely to have.
Picking out paint colors and blinds and tiles. It can be fun, but it can also be a bit stressful. But we had plenty of laughs and sort of helped.
Good job.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cold.
Go ahead.
So, how are you guys? All the team is here before Christmas. Javier, Gabriel, Santiago, who is also coming a YouTuber later.
Yes, that gorgeous head of hair. I'm jealous of his curls.
And we'll deliver initial project. We are super happy
Yes.
and enthusiastic about it. Hopefully, she accepted.
Absolutely.
Oh, Mom's been so excited coming over and sneak peeking, but she was all like, my stomach, I'm so nervous. And I'm like, what are you nervous for?
I said, I think it's excitement, it's nervousness, it's everything. Yeah.
Our team should be nervous.
Oh, no, you guys have been great.
Yeah.
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 Well, we're all pretty happy. The house is fantastic. Jonathan's so thoughtful, he's brought some bubbly, so let's pop it and celebrate.
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I open it or you open it?
Yo, you go.
No, you damage something in your house. I don't want to damage.
I'm thinking about my crystals up there. Here we go. Michelle's Casa.
Yes.
Casa Michelle.
Congratulations, Mom.
Thank you.
And a beautiful job, Jonathan.
Yes.
Thank you guys, as always. Thank you very
Ching
much.
ching.
Ching ching.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute. Mama in the house.
So if you like this video, please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider doing so.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias.